To use the PCE-ATP, you need to buy the swab, which is sold separately, and to take a sample of the surface to be tested. Press the swab all the way down into the tube so the swab becomes in contact with the reaction liquid and reagent. Gently shake the tube to ensure the sample is fully covered. Insert the whole test tube into the measuring chamber of the PCE-ATP1 food hygiene testing device. After 20 seconds, the measurement results are shown in relative light units on the device's display. PCE-ATP1 is a food hygiene tester, lumitester or the luminometer used in the food, pharmaceutical, hygiene, healthcare, hospitality and janitorial industries. This lumitester allows for quick and easy first generation adenosine triphosphate surface testing and monitoring to ensure proper cleanliness, sterilization, sanitization. PCE-ATP1 is an ATP tester that can be used for cleanliness, control and documentation in commercial kitchen food preparation, industrial food manufacturing and food processing, professional cleaning services, operating rooms and more. For more technical information, go to www.pce-instruments.com.